purpose of this video is to share with you few quick points to consider when hiring a business coach for small manufacturing businesses. In the last 5 or 6 years, number of coaches in India and globally has increased so exponentially that if you throw a stone in a crowd, probably it will hit a coach. You get bombarded with so many posts on social media, right? But what about the quality? What about the actual results being achieved in business? Business is one of the top 3 priorities in business owner's life. So you don't want to take any chances with coach who cannot get you results. The results depend on 3 things. One is the coach, second is the coaching program, and third is yourself. In this video, I will talk about selecting the right business coach, and here are some points to consider. 1. The real business coach. Is he or she really a business coach? Many of them call themselves business coaches, whereas in reality they are either motivational speakers, trainers, life coaches, mentor, or consultants. Business coach essentially has to work very closely with you one-on-one, just like a personal trainer at gym. Second is knowledge of industry segment. It is a very big advantage if the coach has hands-on experience and in-depth knowledge of your business segment. So look for a business coach who works exclusively with your type of businesses. Otherwise, you will end up getting generic advice and strategies. With industry expert coach, you get very specific, customized, tried and tested solutions. For example, I can quickly add huge value to any engineering projects and manufacturing businesses operating in industrial B2B segment. More so in water and wastewater treatment business because of my own experience of managing such businesses. But I may not be able to add that kind of effectiveness when I coach a B2C business like a salon or a restaurant. Look for a business coach who is expert in coaching your industry domain. Third consideration is about coaching models being offered by them. I will talk about it in a separate video, but there are various coaching models and you need to see what suits you. You may also consider other factors like age, maturity, language, location, past experience, personality match, etc. to see if it is the right fit between the both of you. Hiring a business coach is an important decision. Choose the right one for your business. Thank you.